It is predicted that Tesla will be able to produce low-cost electric vehicle models worth $20,000, considering the sales price of the Tesla Model 3 in the U.S., it is half the price. Tesla executives will meet Indian Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal within this month to discuss plans to build a plant to produce a new $24,000 car in India, the report said. Tesla has conveyed its intention to the Indian government to produce low-cost electric vehicles for local sales and exports. And the price of new cars is reported to be around $24,000 in local currency. Elon Musk met with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who visited the U.S. last month, to discuss investment plans in India. The report is believed to be a follow-up to the meeting between Musk and Modi at the time. Tesla did not respond to Reuters' request for comment on the report. Tesla explained that it is 25% cheaper than the lowest price of Model 3 sold in China, which is about $32,200. Considering that the selling price of the Tesla Model 3 in the U.S. starts in the early $40,000 range, it is half the price. Musk has repeatedly announced plans to produce low-cost models, including saying at a Tesla Battery Day event in September 2020 that he would be able to sell a fully self-driving electric vehicle for $25,000 in 3 years. However, at the Investor Day event in February this year, he did not announce any specific plans for a new $25,000 car. Tesla has been increasing its sales volume since the beginning of this year by cutting the price of existing models by 10 to 20%. Experts point out, in order to increase profitability in the long run, we need to launch a cheap new car that significantly lowers production costs. Tesla currently produces cars at its plants in California and Texas in the U.S., and in Germany and China abroad. Tesla plans to build 15 more plants around the world and produce 20 million electric vehicles annually by 2030. Tesla raised its price target to $270 per share, while lowering its investment rating from neutral to underweight. I think the recent strong stock price performance fully reflects the strong demand response that emerged after the price cut and the solid implementation of 2024, he said. We continue to see Tesla leading the global competition for affordable electricity and autonomous mobility, but from a one-year perspective. Risk and reward appear to be balanced, he added. He explained that the increase in demand due to price cuts was accurately reflected in the stock price following the recent rally. Tesla posted record quarterly sales last week, but some analysts feared a drop in operating margin. Tesla pointed to worse than expected operating costs and surplus cash flows. But the catalyst most relevant to Tesla's margins and valuation is still autonomous, stressing that Tesla's new Dojo supercomputer has the potential to become a game changer in the self-driving software space. Nevertheless, he said that autonomous driving should be considered a multi-year story, and that when full autonomy is reached, there will be a big financial rise.